If Lucidchart is showing a status error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This kind of issue is usually caused by a temporary server problem, a browser extension conflict, corrupted cache, or even a network restriction. The good news is that most of the time you can solve it without needing any advanced technical skills. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and productivity tips. Alright, let's get into it. First, check whether Lucidchart is actually having a system-wide outage. Before changing anything on your device, open a status checking page or Lucidchart's official status page and see if the service is down for everyone. If the servers are having problems, there is nothing wrong with your browser, and the only real fix is to wait until Lucidchart resolves it. This simple step saves a lot of time because it tells you immediately whether the issue is on your side or theirs. If the service looks normal and the status page says everything is up, then the next step is to isolate your browser, open an incognito or private browsing window, and try signing in to Lucidchart again. This is one of the best troubleshooting methods because private mode disables most extensions and uses a cleaner session. If Lucidchart works properly in incognito, then you already know the issue is probably connected to your main browser setup. Next, go back to your normal browser and check for conflicting extensions. Ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, VPN extensions, and security add-ons can all interfere with how Lucidchart loads. Try disabling all extensions temporarily, then reload Lucidchart and test it again. If the error disappears, turn the extensions back on one by one until you find the one causing the problem. That way, you can keep the useful extensions enabled while removing only the one that breaks Lucidchart. After that, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, your browser stores temporary files that can become corrupted or outdated, and that can trigger strange errors like this one. Go into your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and choose clear browsing data. Make sure to include cookies and other site data, along with cached images and files. Once the clearing process is finished, fully close and restart your browser, then try Lucidchart again from a fresh session. If you're still seeing the status error, the next thing to check is your network or VPN. Sometimes work networks, school networks, firewalls, or VPNs block the connections that Lucidchart needs to function properly. Disconnect from your VPN if you're using one, then try opening Lucidchart again. If possible, switch to a different internet connection, like a mobile hotspot, and see whether the error goes away. If it works on another network, then the problem is likely related to your local network restrictions rather than Lucidchart itself. By this point, one of these steps usually fixes the issue. Start with the status check, then try incognito, then disable extensions, clear cache and cookies, and finally test your network or VPN. That order helps you troubleshoot quickly without wasting time. If your Lucidchart status error is still not fixed after trying everything in this video, the next best step is to contact Lucidchart support and include details about your browser, your network, and the exact error message you're seeing. And that's it. You now know how to fix Lucidchart status error using a simple, reliable troubleshooting process. If this video helped, please remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more step-by-step tech tutorials like this one.